I'm screaming, Annie, are you okay? You been vibing like all day. Head down in the hallway. Do you feel better when you come?
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Blue.Envie. Today I am doing a frontal wig install curly uni on my best friend for her birthday. Her birthday is tomorrow, so watch me do her hair. I'm just outlining her hairline with Erica J glue so that I can get the cap laid. I'm just cutting that excess lace off of her so that we can get ready to put her wig on. I bought this lace tint mousse from the Beauty Spot store. This is my first time using it, which was on her, so it was a little weird undertone, but nevertheless I did get my girl together. You'll see it at the end. I know y'all see me tugging on this wig. The lace was not stretchy, but you know, it's my girl's birthday, so I'm gonna make do with what it do. We were in our TikTok bag. We were trying to figure out a TikTok to make for this install. And not too much on my middle part. That's not really a middle part. I just threw my locks in 2 buns and call it a day. Before laying her wig down, I did do 4 total layers and made sure that they were clear before I did put the wig down. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick, right around the slap, you know, the dick, don't wanna feel it. Right around the world, right around talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, So this part of the install really made me want to tussle, only because it just looked like I put the lace on top of the glue without drying it. I don't know, maybe it was the cap or the lace tint mousse mixed with the cap, but it was just, I was a little frustrated. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. So at this point, it's still white. I didn't know why or what was going on. However, my only goal was to use lace tint mousse the whole install. However, that didn't happen, so I had to use some makeup in order to fix it, which is still okay. It still was flawless. I'm so cozy. Y'all can see I was trying everything under the sun except for using makeup, which I ended up using, but only literally a tad bit. I'm so thankful for my girl because my phone storage was too full to continue, so we use her phone, but I'm just wax sticking her down to make the install flat. I cut her baby hair off camera. Now I'm just curling them down. I like to curl them down, and then I'm just going to swoop a doop. This is the final look. She looks so cute. It looks so sleek, and I'm so proud of myself for getting rid of the white part. And also, this is the next day. Her hair looks good. She's getting very much Puerto Rican. Whose birthday is it? Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.